Assalamualaikum. This is Jasmine Islam with you. Welcome to English second paper class on behalf of Bangladesh Online Madrasa. Dear students, you know that I started the topic right forms of verb. Today I will discuss the fourth portion of right forms of verb. Today I will discuss where we will use the V3 form or the past participle form of the verb. Look at the board. V3 or past participle form. Here we will learn 4 rules. At first rule, you know that we already learned about to have verb. In to have verb, we have learned have, has, had and having. Then our first rule is if we get have, has, had or having, if we get have, has, had or having before bracket, then we will use the past participle form of the verb that is in the bracket. If we get before our bracket have, has, had or having, then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Look at the example. He has do the work. He has do the work. Then our answer will be done. V3. Let's see. If we get have, has, had, having before the bracket or before the verb, then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Then you have to remember have, has, had, having. Have, has, had, having. Then after that we will use the past participle form of the verb. He has do, then we will use here done. We know that the past participle form of the verb do is done. He has done the work. Let's see another rule. Our next rule is modal plus be. We learned that the modal auxiliaries are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must. And if we get like this modal plus be, then after that the form of the verb will be past participle. Let's see the example. The work must be by me. Here you have to remember one thing is that here the subject will not work directly. Here the object, at first we will get the objective form. The work must be done by me. But you will remember one thing is that if you get modal plus be, then you will write the past participle form of the verb. Then you will write the past participle form of the verb. Then here another thing is that here this subject will not work directly. Then here we find that the work must be do by me. Then our answer will be done. Done. The work must be done by me. Here we have learned first rule is have, has, had. After have, has, had, we will use the past participle form of the verb. Then another rule is after modal auxiliary, if we get be, then the verb of the bracket will be in the past participle form. We will use the past participle form of the verb. Then our next rule is if we get like this, rule 3, have. If we get modal plus have, then the bracket. Then you have to use the past participle form of the verb. Look at the example. We must have do the work. Must have. Here must is a modal auxiliary, and after that we find have. Then our rule was modal plus have. Then we will use we subject plus must plus have. Then in the bracket we will get do. In the bracket we get do. Then our answer will be, we know the rule modal plus have. Then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Then our answer will be done. Done. We must have done the work. We must have done the work. Then so our rule is modal plus have. If we get like this, subject plus modal auxiliary plus have, then the bracket, and then we have to use the past participle form of the verb. If we get like this, modal auxiliary plus have. So this is our third rule. Then the fourth rule is if we get like this, be, been, being, get, got, getting, get, got, getting. Then if we get be, been, being, get, got, getting before bracket, then we will write the past participle form of the verb. We will write the past participle form of the verb. Look at the board. The work is being. The work is being do by me. Here we get an example. The work is being do by me. Then we get it be, been, being, get, got, getting. The work is being do. Then we will use the past participle form of the verb. What will be our result? Then result will be done. The work is being done by me. Here the subject will not work directly, but then our next example is I got the work. Do. I got the work. Then what will be the answer? We know that be, been, being, get, got, getting. If we get this before the verb I got the work, then what will be the, what will we write here? I got the work. Then the answer will be done. Look. Then in our fourth rule, we can learn here that, before bracket, if we get be, been, being, get, got, getting, then we will write the past participle form of the verb. What will we write? We will write the past participle form of the verb. Then what was our first rule? Our first rule was before a verb, if we get have, has, had or having, then we will write the past participle form of the verb. Then our second rule was if we get modal plus be, then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Then our next rule was if we get modal plus have, then the form of the verb will be past participle. Then we will use the past participle form of the verb. Next our rule was if we get before our verb be, been, being, get, got, getting, then our answer will be in the past participle form. We will use the past participle form of the verb. Today I have discussed where we will use the past participle form of the verb. Hope you have written all these rules, and this is all for today. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.